And we're live. Praveen, hi,
Hey,
good evening.
good evening, Vinod. Good
How are
evening.
you?
I'm good. How are you? How are you
I'm
doing?
good.
I know
I'm good.
you're doing, you know, you're busy every week.
You're the busy man.
No, everyone is busy in this,
Everyone is busy.
yeah, yeah, at home,
Yeah,
family,
yeah,
work, and
yeah,
kitchen at the background. What is
yeah,
going?
yeah, yeah.
Yes,
But
you know.
great, great. I'm happy that somehow you could make time and come. I'm very grateful. So, folks, we have episode number 15 with Praveen Chandra. He goes by many names. Junior Gowda is one. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗಣೇಶ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ?
Uh, so I started, my hobbies. Run, run, walk, be active kind of thing.
Okay, okay,
Don't sit at one corner, especially for in our group, CKP group, we do a lot of hard work,
right,
concentrate on the work.
yeah,
If you look at the history, the interviews, some of the people, they are doing kind of work day and night continuously.
yeah.
There's
A lot of idle sitting, and is it not idly sitting, but sitting for long hours and working?
long hours and working. That is, thank you for shortening up. So that way is good one way, but healthy, the being fit, and inside the machine has to be run somehow.
Well oiled, well oiled.
Yeah, well oiled. Kind of, you should take break every,
Yeah,
15
yeah.
minutes, 10 minutes,
Okay.
every alternative day, go for a walk, every week, go for every month, one run or something. If you
So
do it,
that's how you started walking and running and all of that.
yeah, that's how I started. Earlier, I used to, at in college time, I used to behind the BMTC.
That all of us have done. But okay, hold on. So today we're talking about your walking or your marathon.
Marathon.
Okay.
Marathon run, whatever
Run.
it is.
Okay.
Don't have to go to
Okay.
the marathon. You just run wherever possible. You run and run for a 1 or 2 kilometers
Right. Right.
and be active in your body and blood ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Okay.
ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ,
So
yeah.
let's say it's marathon. So you're saying you started your journey by running behind buses.
Yeah, running behind buses, running behind with friends, the
So
college.
ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಯಾರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ಪ್ರವೀಣ್? ನಾಟ್
I'm
ಫ್ರಮ್
from
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್.
I'm not from Bangalore. I'm Karnataka only. Udupi, Kundapura.
ಉಡುಪಿ, ಕುಂದಾಪುರ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ
From
ಬಸ್
there.
ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಶುರುವಾಗಿತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಇತ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ,
Used to have a cycle earlier,
ಓಕೆ,
and used to lot of other activities, football, cricket, swimming
ಓಕೆ,
in the
ಓಕೆ,
back. So
ಓಕೆ,
uh, that was nice fun. The you know
ಓಕೆ.
good memories. Yeah. Now
ಮುಂದೆ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್?
running, I started 10 years back. I think. No, earlier I didn't had this. In this my kind of motivation and other things. When I joined one of the company which I'm working on now, working with them now, they had a runner club. You know,
ಓಕೆ,
so motivated by them. A lot of
ಓಕೆ,
people used to run, and they called me for running. I was little slim and things like that. Oh, you should also run. You're a be fit. Then I started. I used to run earlier, but not like a marathon and kind of this thing. And
ಹ್ಮ್,
started from there. For 7, 8 years back, started from there. First run was like I'll tell you the feeling what I had. If
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ,
you
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ.
Yeah, if you hold uh, the gas cylinder at your back, okay,
Okay, I
at
got what
your
you're saying.
back, cylinder
Okay,
at your back. This I had a feeling, okay.
right,
And walk. When you're walking, you will make out that kind of the gas floating at the
yeah,
back, and you will do like this. That
right.
is happening to me after 5K, which I did first run.
Okay,
My body. So
Okay.
I continuously ran. That's the first run I did. Continuously ran about 5 kilometers. I just stopped after 5 kilometers. I just I can't stand. It was because I was running like 30, 40 minutes continuously. Suddenly I can't stop. I'm just slowing down
Oh,
like
you
a
still wanting to run?
yeah, wanted to run a lot. You can't stop, because when you break the
Oh,
scooter or
rhythm. You
cycle,
break the rhythm.
if you get
You need to continue.
scared, right? You need to
Okay.
continue slowly. You have to stop. That's
Stop.
the
Okay.
what even the body requires.
Okay.
So Atara, when I stopped, slowly, it was like floating. My body is floating. That is my first run.
Oh.
So I was like, it was very nice. After 5 kilometers run, I enjoyed. In my body, I was feeling it. I was feeling it. I did
Okay.
something.
One ನಿಮಿಷ. Before you did the 5 kilometer run, ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಓಕೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಓಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಸುಸ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಓಕೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್.
Yeah, you have to do. Yeah, that's a good question for the first time.
So when you started, what did you do?
Yeah, this is the good question. People wanted to start for a run. They should start month before to plan food habits, and they should start slowly walking. Who are not running and sitting idle and things like they have to start walking for a week's time. Slowly they can start weekly once 1 or 2 kilometers slow run. Slow, that is called warm up kind of thing, which even any sports does, even football, that football, cricket, any sport does, warm up. That kind of warm up required for a 1 month. Like every week you increase, come to the point that 5 kilometers I can run. I'll tell you why. Because when you
Please.
sudden run, what will happen? Inside engine can get blast, and even the what you call um
Cross friction, you mean?
yeah, fracture happens inside your
Acha.
the skin,
Okay.
because
So
sudden run.
your tendon tear, your muscle tear, fatigue, you're not able to, your lung capacity to breathe, all that comes up with practice.
Yeah, that all comes up because you do sudden effect to your body.
Right.
So once you do sudden ಈ ತರ sudden ಆಗಿ ಎಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
Right.
like hurt to your entire
Right.
whatever you have
Right.
bone, whatever thing. So that's why
In fact, I should share. So I've not been well for a long time. In fact, I didn't want to come for the reunion, and I started going to the gym and running a lot. I did a lot of. So I'm a sprinter. I can never do marathon. I've always been a sprinter, high jump and a long jump. So I started doing a lot of severe running. So now I limp and I walk. So I have a slip disc and I have my left leg is numb. So I know the benefits of what you're saying. It's so true. You need to do the right amount of warm up, and we are also not very young right now to just start off like that.
Yeah, we are not engine. We have an engine in the body, but we are not an engine like any other this thing. Even the bullet and any other sports vehicle, they do some warm up right before
Warming
that.
up. Yeah.
Accelerator should give slowly. Yeah.
Right.
Same way.
So you practice a lot. So then you were comfortable running 5 kilometers.
Yeah, I started from there 5 kilometers. That was my 2 kilometers was my first run. Yeah, 2 kilometers. So before that I did a lot of warm up run. When you do warm up run, you'll go to kind of fracture and other things inside.
So when you mean warm up run ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, so actual run ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 5 kilometer run ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So when you say warm up run, ಅಂದ್ರೆ by yourself you were running, or you were going somewhere and you were running with somebody?
You just do it yourself every day. Every week, alternative day or something. I
thought you were participating in smaller runs or something.
No.
Going to the 5K one.
No, alone you do it, as per your, the
capacity.
capacity, you do slowly can you take it forward with the marathon.
Gotcha. Sure. So 5K ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂತರ next
5K, after the 5K, I got a motivation from other runners. Like when I was running, when you run along with the others, right? That's the benefit is, they will encourage you. And
you get the drive
also,
to do
yeah,
more.
There will be 1,000 people along
Yeah.
with you, not
Yeah.
10 or 20 people, 1,000 people
Correct,
along
correct.
with you.
Yeah.
So not 1,000. If you look at any other big marathon, 10,000,
Yeah,
12,000 in
yeah,
Nice Road
yeah.
and all that, 10,000, 12,000. It's like crowd.
Tell
Like
me, in runs like this, Praveen, in this where thousands of people attend, right? How many people finally finish? About 5%, 10% people finish, or 50%? What is the
everybody
percentage you think?
everybody will
Everybody
finish.
finishes.
Everybody finishes.
Oh, I thought some people
Yes.
probably will stop halfway and go home or something.
No. See, whoever comes there, they will be like, I wanted to run 5 kilometers.
Okay.
Who will go at 3 o'clock and stand in the queue, pay $1,000, and who will do that? Some
Right.
people active, kind of,
Right. ಆ
they wanted
motivation
to
ಇದ್ರೇನೆ
run.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Motivation ಇದೆ. That's why they wanted to go in the early morning.
So
Okay.
everybody finishes.
Yeah, everybody finishes.
Nice,
Everybody
nice.
finishes. Yeah,
Nice.
they have
I
a
didn't know that.
tracker and everything. They have a tracker,
Okay.
everything
Okay.
they have. Like
Okay.
that number what you have in your this thing at
ಆ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್
back,
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು.
backside, you have a bib hindgade, you have a chip.
Okay.
You will be having a chip. It will track how much you ran and what time you ended up and
Finished,
everything it
yeah.
will track.
Okay.
So ಆತರ
Okay.
ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It's like 10,000 people running, along with them. When you run, you will motivate with others, they will run,
Right.
clap
Right.
and run. Some people
Oh,
people
okay.
will encourage you. So sometime what will happen, some people are not running properly, we should encourage them.
Oh,
That
okay.
is
Okay.
kind of, we are like, oh, we are running better than them. ಆತರ.
Okay.
So that kind of motivation kind of comes when you run. Yeah, when you run.
Okay.
And you can see a
Okay.
lot of other people, old, like 50 people, 50 years age, old people, ladies and everybody, when they're running, why can't we run?
Exactly.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah,
So how many runs have you done so far?
so far yearly, I think per year, I think I did 5-6 runs. Marathon I have done, but
Okay.
monthly 3 runs I do every month. Every weekend I do 1 run. 10K.
So that's your personal runs.
Personal run. That is my personal run. Go to kind of deep. What do you say? It's not like a park. It's like a jungle kind of park where you have no people, pathway kind of thing, where you can just run. So I used to
Okay.
run at my native. There is nothing
Okay.
kind of tar road or nothing. Tar road is little. You can't run because what will happen in knee and leg, you will have a more pain when you run on the tar.
Right.
Mud road is the good one.
Okay.
Mud, yeah, that's the
Okay.
good one.
Okay.
And with a good shoe, not the
I'm guessing the mud is slightly more softer than tarmac,
Yes.
which is very hard, which is
Yeah.
bad for your knees and ankonತೀನಿ.
knees and other things there. No, I didn't do kind of research for that. People, my runners club used to say that
Okay.
barefoot runner used to say that
Yeah.
kind of
Yeah.
feelings.
So you've tried doing a barefoot running?
No. I used to do earlier, but no, not happening. Because
This guy does know, this model and runner, Milan Soman, and a lot of other people
Milan
also do.
Soman and his Thai mother.
ತಾಯಿನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. I know, I've seen. Very, very inspirational, ಅಲ್ಲ?
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
nice. Yeah. So he's big time, he's big timer
Into
in
all
runner,
this.
into all this now. Mumbai
Yeah.
Marathon. Everywhere,
Yeah.
I haven't gone out of station. I gone to Ooty, one of the
Oh,
marathon.
nice.
It was a nice experience, like you have a hill station.
Going up, running up.
Oh,
ಉಸಿರು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah.
So, initially it's okay. Like track is good. Initial
Yeah.
track is good. It's like a flat and you just
It's only
go
when you
and
start
run,
climbing you get it.
enjoy. So when the up comes, your
Yeah.
energy also gone down totally. Like
Yeah. Yeah.
you want to
Yeah.
stop it somewhere, but when you see the in front of you hill up,
Yeah.
and you have
Yeah.
to climb, like so it's like running, like it's not running like
I
a
know. I know. I
fast
know.
run. You have to, there is a standard,
Slowly pace it up
slowly
and go.
raise
So
it up.
one more thing. So Madhukar ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕರ್ದಂಗ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ
Correct,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ when we are on the bike even the engine kind of stutters because oxygen level is so less at 18,000 feet.
correct.
There we ourselves are struggling sitting on a bike and ಉಸಿರಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ there are people cycling up to Khardungla. ಅದು ಬಿಡು, there are people jogging.
Yeah,
They're doing
correct,
some kind of marathon and going up to the world's highest motorable road. Imagine their lung capacity and their dedication to that sport alone.
correct. That's true. Even one more, example I can give you. One more, kind of enjoyment. So when you're running, right, when the weather changes, like where you said Himalaya and other places, hill station and raining season. So when you start running, so you can't feel that, oh, is it raining? Is it, the
Okay, your goal is
oh,
only one thing and you're not bothered about the weather.
your body is set,
Focused.
your
Right,
engine is
right,
set to stay. Okay,
right.
then you just go. You can't
Okay.
feel anything. You can't feel like it's cold, it's warm. You can't feel like it's raining. You just go stay. You can't feel that, oh, is it raining? I don't want, I wanted to hide somewhere. Chali
Okay.
there. I don't, no. It's not like that. You just run. Atara feeling irutte. So when you
Okay.
finish your run, you will be enjoyed like anything. You will be like
Okay.
awesome feeling. So people has to try that. And
Right,
once,
right.
yeah.
I am not a marathon runner, but I wish I can join you at some point doing this. But going back to my earlier question, so how many runs have you done at Kelidike? You say you do about 2 or 3 runs. I believe these must be some long runs. I saw some of your photos. It says a 21K run. How do you prepare for that
21K that is my longest run. Half
longest
marathon.
run?
Yeah.
Okay.
Longest.
So full marathon is what? 42, is it?
Yeah, 42. Yeah. I haven't done
Wow.
that. Yeah. I
ಸೊ
haven't done.
ಕಚ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಕಚ್ ರನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಲೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹೆಡ್, ಐ ನೋ ಹೌ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡು. ಒಂದು 2 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಕಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ಸೀನ್. ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಚೆ ಜಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ hats off to the kind of attitude people have to go and do it in a place like Kutch. So even for 21K run that you're doing, Praveen, so is the practice for that, the training for that, different from your 5K run? If yes, how? So do you start practicing before a month? Do you take more time to practice for 21 kilometers? Or your body's got evolved and now you can run 21? How is it?
So 21K, we can't start suddenly like that.
Correct.
It's not possible. When you run also, it is not possible. And so you should have a preparation month or 2 months, in ahead, So if it is December, you have to start from November first week itself.
Okay.
Slowly.
A month.
Yeah, month. 1 month, one and a half month, you should walk and run. Every week you should try. And
So what do? You do some stretching exercises. Then you spoke about diet. So is there any specific things that you eat or you don't eat?
I eat everything. I eat everything. I eat non-veg. I eat non-veg and
Watermelon.
veg. Veg is less. Watermelon, yeah, watermelon is good. Yeah, correct. So in this 21K, they give watermelon juice also, lemon juice,
Okay.
and this one. What biscuit is that? Parle-G.
Glucose allergy.
Parle-G also they give, and balehannu, banana they give. So
Okay.
orange, all this, every 5 kilometers they give this kind of. You just run and pick those and eat and run again.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that is the thing. For your
So
question,
how
I
is it?
think
How is it when you're like so exhausted and when you're running? How do you even eat? I mean, because like you said, you're so focused, you're not bothered with anything. But then there is obviously tiredness and all of that. So maybe somebody's handing over some glucose packet to you, or a glucose biscuit, or maybe even a banana. ಒಂದು ಹಣ್ಣು ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಹಣ್ಣು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನುಂಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, but a biscuit to ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು, how do you manage? Do you have the capacity to eat? And obviously people do it, but I've not run, so I'm asking you.
Yeah, you can. There is a break. You have to have a water. You have to maintain your level, because 21K without any water or anything you can't run. So you should have a water in your back pocket or something, like a small.
So even the professionals do the same thing. They have to take something in between.
They have to do the same thing. Also, they have to take care of all this. Wherever the muzzle catches, you have to have spray, move or something. You should have with you. In big marathon, they will keep every 2 kilometers. They keep a helper, beside, both the side there will be a helper. They will watching you. They'll be watching you. Whatever happens. So every 1 kilometers there is a kind of you have a flag, and 1.5 something run along with you. That is the speed limit.
Okay.
That is the speed limit. When you go with the people, 1.5 kilometers. So those people throughout 20K, 1.5 kilometer speed they run. So if you run along with them, you are like, your speed limit is like that.
You're keeping up to the speed limit that is
limit.
wanted.
Wanted. There will be 5 and there will be 10. Slow runner along with them, they can go. There will be flag. Will be, I don't know. There is some name for them. They do on this thing.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how it is.
So whether it's a 5-kilometer run or a 21K run, your practice starts about a month and a half back, and you start running and preparing yourself. Is there any specific exercises that you do?
Yeah, you do some kind of stretches. You do.
Stretches.
Before the run, I think 1 hour before, you have to give some warm up to your body. So there is some stretches will be there. When you do marathon, we will conduct for half an hour stretches, with the kind of they do 30 minutes stretches, then they can start. So
okay, so you say you guys assemble at 3 o'clock in the morning for the run. What time does the run start usually?
See, run will start 21K will start around 4:30.
So which means you have to be there at 3:30 and do your stretches and all that.
Yeah, 4:35. I think 5. Okay, 21K. Then 10K in the same track. 10K will start around 6 or something.
Okay.
Then the 5K after 30 minutes, 1 hour or
so
something.
Which means the people who are running for 21K would have already dispersed and moved away.
The track will be empty. Track will be empty within 30 minutes. Then they will start 10K. Okay, then the 10K move off. After 30 minutes, the 5K will start. Then after 5K,
no, please go on. Sorry.
Yeah, after 5K, I think walk and run. There is some people will come walk and run.
Okay.
It's a different category. Walk and run. They will walk and run. This kind of. After 5K, they will start 2 kilometers. 3 kilometers.
Okay.
When you look at from the top view, the entire stretch, like 21 kilometers, will be full with the people.
Full of people. Yeah.
Full of people. This is happening in Nice Road.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this year, ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ because of the COVID?
ಇಲ್ಲ. This year not going to happen. Virtual run you can do, single you can go and run, and as a group you can't. It's banned across the world. Yeah, there is no run, marathon happening anywhere.
Okay. So 21K ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಲೆಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂತು? ಮುಂಚಿಂದನೇ ಇತ್ತಾ? or ಆಯ್ತು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ?
It's like, when you run, your body kind of giving you support. Atara idre, then it will push you. Okay, I did 2K. Why can't I start 5K?
5K.
Okay, 5K, ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, normal ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, why can't I, start 10K ಅಂತ ಒಂದು mentally you will be ready to run, and finish that run. So like that you can expand your
Okay.
1 or 2K extra,
Okay.
7K, 10K,
Okay.
usually you start and complete.
Okay.
Yeah.
ಸೊ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರನ್ನಿಂಗೇ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋ ಟೈಮಿಗಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಇವಾಗ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ತನಕ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ. ಡು ಯು ಸಿ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬಾಡಿ?
Yeah, a lot of difference in my body.
Like what?
In terms of, I used to have a allergy, dust allergy. So
Okay.
now, kind of dust allergy is not there because I spoke to one of the runner. He's a good runner. He told me that your breathing, lungs, every minute it's like a pumps.
Okay.
It will be cleans your entire
Okay.
and pipes and everything. It will get cleaned and things like that.
Nice.
That's what he said. Even the doctors
Okay.
also say the same thing. When it pumps, it will be like it functions. Functionality will be nice, and when you sit one side and do whatever you want to do, and it won't happen. That feeling won't be there before the
Right.
run. After what I felt, there is a change. And even so when I start suddenly, without warm up, if I start any run, it won't be affected for me because the body is ready to anytime I can run.
Okay.
The muscles and my knees,
Okay.
everything is ready to run anytime point of the thing. Yeah.
Okay.
So
one is your allergy is gone, but I'm sure along with that, fat karigirutte. I'm sure a lot of other benefits you would have found. Did you feel any such other changes in your body?
Yes, there is a lot of changes in my body. Yeah, a lot of changes. And after the run, right, after that whole day, you'll be like active.
Okay.
I can say whole week.
Okay.
1 or 2 days you'll be like, oh, I did something.
ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸ್ತದೆ. Your body is very active. It's not like a lazy, kind of thing. It was, nice experience I had, and I'm going to have a lot more.
So now it looks like Praveen is addicted to running.
Addicted to running. Yeah, I should start again because of this COVID. I think I need to start again and run. I did one run, 30 kilometers at my village, at my native.
Okay.
30 kilometers. I took a break, the 2 years back. 2 years back. Yeah, 2 years back. That is all mud road, not tar.
Okay.
You have to go in the jungle and all those. Some places, if you run you have to be very careful when you're running. You can't run anywhere. So
right.
Sometimes the street dog will
bite
you, chase you and things like that. You should be a little careful about that. Yeah, when you go with the group, it will be nice. Yeah, now we won't run because of we have to go alone. When you get into park, there's a lot of people are walking and things like that. It's a small tiny stretch. You can't run in that place. Yeah.
Okay. So 30 kilometers that you ran in your native, so you would have almost finished your entire village or something, no?
Yeah, entire village. See, there is a bridge, backwater bridge. 2 bridge I crossed. I went to Arabi Sea. That what is that?
Malpe.
Not Malpe. Marwante. It's called Karwar.
Marwante.
Yeah, Marwante. Okay. It's next to my hometown.
Right. Nice. Very, very beautiful place.
Yeah, Padukone and Marwante they call. There is a Padukone and Marwante. We have a backwaters. Next to that, you have a Arabi Sea. Middle there is a national highway.
I've seen ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ನೀರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ river, one side is the ocean.
that was a nice place. I ran around 3 kilometer stretch,
Nice,
on the sand,
nice,
sand.
nice.
Let's say,
If you have pictures of any of these, send, no?
no, that
They're
time I
there?
didn't had a mobile, I think.
Oh, okay.
Long time back. Yeah. I had a
Okay.
mobile, but not like selfie.
Okay.
I couldn't take. I don't have that. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
But I have a,
Uh,
yeah. Tell me, go ahead.
no, you finish. Nothing.
Yeah,
You
I
finish
had a
one.
nice time that because it's humidity there, beach side you have
Right,
a
right,
ತುಂಬಾ ಸೆಕೆ
right.
ಇರುತ್ತೆ, like it's
ತುಂಬಾ
like a
ಬೆವರುತ್ತೆ
very
ಅಲ್ಲ?
very hot. You will tired soon. You'll be
But
tired.
I think when you practice in a place like that, in a humid place, or when you practice at a high altitude, your blood circulation becomes much better. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀನು if you go for regular run, I think you'll be more efficient ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
Because we sweat a lot there because of
Right.
saltwater weather, and you have a, like a Kerala, you have very hot.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it'll always
yeah,
be humid, always the sea
yeah,
facing
yeah.
cities and villages.
You sweat a lot. Here you won't sweat. No, you won't, unless you do something activity, some kind of gym.
Yeah, yeah,
You will get sweat. Otherwise, you
yeah,
won't sweat. If you
yeah.
sit somewhere in the, at our Udupi or that beach side, you'll sweat a lot. If you sit
Right,
enough, you'll sweat.
right. Yeah, yeah.
A
So
lot of
ಇದು
diet required, a lot of vegetables, protein required. You should, do with good diet. It'll be nice. Before the run, morning run, before that you should drink water, enough water to your body. Don't,
okay,
directly run or something. You should have some petrol, right, to your car or
right,
motorcycle.
right.
Same way
Mm,
for
okay,
your
okay,
personal engine. Yeah.
okay, okay. ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೆಲನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂತು?
That is, so I had to, when I was kid, I told this to Purnima when she asked me, why you took me, after Purnima, when you took, why
I don't
you
know, it's
took
just a
me?
fluke. No, there's
Because
no
in the
connection at all.
artistry exam also, she was behind me, market.
Okay, okay.
I used to copy her.
Old
And
Fort High School. Old Fort High
yeah,
School.
all put it.
Kadachipalya.
She used to help me. Okay, don't tell
Okay.
this to anyone. Okay. Uh, okay, that's the, okay. I went to somewhere else. Okay, tell me question.
watermelon ಹೆಂಗ್ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂತು?
Oh, watermelon. Watermelon. I forgot the question. Watermelon was like, I like watermelon. And also, when I was a kid, I used to, jatre and the village in jatra ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, they used to chop and give the thing for 50 paise and 1 rupee.
Correct. 4 ಆಣಿ 8 ಆಣಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ.
I have to collect the seeds.
Okay.
Collect ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೋಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಚಡ್ಡಿ
Okay.
ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಮೈ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ ದೇರ್. ನಾನು ಈ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ದೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಚ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್. ಈಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸೀಡ್ಸು, ಈಗ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೋತ್ and ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೀಗೆ ಸುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Then you will have, after a month or two, you will have watermelon growing like this. It was like
So
nice.
ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
So is it your favorite fruit?
Yeah, my favorite fruit. Yes, my favorite fruit. I
Okay.
can eat one watermelon, jackfruit. These two are my favorite fruit.
Okay. Just to keep the talk a little lighter, one more thing I always wanted to ask you. I had spoken to Yatish some time back. I don't know who is talking to, Pradeep or somebody. You have some kind of issue with colors, right?
Yeah, correct. Yes.
I remember Old Fort High School ಅಲ್ಲಿ, I think Yatish, me and you were sitting, because I don't know how you were, because my Yatish obviously starts with Y and my name starts with V. So in alphabetical order, we were almost the last. So P is still further than P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. So I'm
Pradeep
guessing
and
not many people
sit together. Yeah. Pradeep
no,
and
but I remember in that one live study exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ final exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯತೀಶು then you were also there.
yeah.
And for some reason I saw you painting green, the human color green. Till then I knew you as a classmate for so many years and months. I never knew this. Then I remember Yatish mixing the color and giving it.
Yes, correct. I know.
So is it true? And you can't see some colors, or you not able to differentiate? What is it?
Yeah, I can't differentiate. There is a
Yeah,
Gupta,
colors. So
Gupta already named it as color blind.
it is color blindness, but I was curious. So
Because,
what colors you?
Now also, if I go to now, I have a code. We have a technology code, right? Like CMYK, RGB, and we have a color codes. Now I can manage to my visual design and graphics and other things at our office. So see, I'll tell you the example. If you keep light red and dark green, I can't tell you
Differentiate.
which one is different. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Does it affect your work, or you got used to it?
Now I'm initially when I was painting it used to be like that, but now I've corrected it because now I got some tips for that. When I overlap, I can see the changes.
Okay, got it.
When I overlap red and green, I can see the changes. I can pick colors. So that's how it is. Yeah.
So traffic signal ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ.
Traffic all, yeah, that is all, yeah, red and green. That is I can make out. Yeah, correct. So I don't know. I'm not not able to identify what I am. When you told me 25 years back, still I won't remember. I used to do the same thing, same mistake, because I didn't correct it. I don't know how to correct that.
Okay. So through trial and error, you have now figured out what is red and what is green.
Yeah, I know what is red and what is green. I can identify when I do any design or any kind of thing. When I mix colors, that's where I'll get caught.
Acha. Okay. Now coming to one of the last questions. Very curious. Not many people have done this. Marathon ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, running ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ the other passion that you have of Yakshagana. How did you get the I think this is very brave and very courageous, very bold to actually wear the Yakshagana costume and run. When was this and how did you do this?
So it was Yakshagana is my fashion, from ages. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. When you're talking about Yakshagana is my favorite thing. I wanted to do a lot of things on that. Kind of I used to perform every year. 2-3 performance I used to give. My car, is outside on the performance kortini. Also, I am very passionate about Yakshagana, colors, dance, dialogues. And I know the history of Yakshagana, and I used to. It is a nice thing. Why I came to my mind that why can't I start run and do some kind of makeup and show some of the in Karnataka culture I just started it for that my preparation was both two preparation I used to do. I have done this in Kantirava Stadium, indoors. Kantirava Stadium. There is a
how many kilometer run?
That is 10 kilometers. Bangalore.
Okay. So your preparation over here is Maka Banna Kolodu Vando and doing your stretching also.
Yeah, stretching also. See, what I did is I was it went on well. Before the marathon, week before, I one of my runner runner mate called me and said that I am going with the dhoti. Why can't you start with the Yakshagana? And that's where I I was thinking what we can do with the Yakshagana full dress. You can't run because we sweat a
Right.
lot and things like that.
Right.
Then I checked with one of the dancers, one of my relative dancer. He said, put makeup and run. Nothing will happen because the when you the makeup Bharatanatyam and Karna, Yakshagana makeup, that is like a waterproof. For 2 days it
Okay.
will stay.
So
It
is
will,
it the same like Kathakali?
yeah, it's like
Colors also?
colors Kathakali tarne. Same pattern. If you look at um, history ne ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Kathakali
ಅಲ್ಲ,
came
separate
from,
ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. I just was curious. So waterproof ಅಂದಾಗ, so the paint ಏನು is like a separate
yeah, they have
handmade some
some
kinds of
kind
paint?
of handmade, some paint they have with the
Okay.
coconut oil used to wash it, and
Okay. So ಎಷ್ಟು
otherwise it
ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು
won't.
ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. If you wash it in the water, it won't go.
Okay.
Waterproof ಅದು. Okay, ಆ ತರ.
Okay.
What I did is, morning 3 o'clock I went to Kalakshetra, Ravindra Kalakshetra, town hall ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅದು.
Okay.
So I went
Right.
there. That is, that time the performance was happening. Yakshagana performance ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
Okay.
ಎಲ್ಲ
Okay.
ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು. I went there and
Okay.
told I want to do a makeup ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. There ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ on that ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Then they said, did the makeup for me. Okay, they took 30 minutes. Around 4:30, Yakshagana's performance happening there around 4:30 in the morning. Started at 9:30 in the night, and still 6:30 they will have a performance. So I went at 3 o'clock. I did the makeup along with one of the artists, and 4 o'clock I came out from town hall and walk into Kantirava. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ
Kantirava.
ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ದಾಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Some of the people looking at me started looking at me, walking over ಇವರು just like this going, and ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಂಠೀರವ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಫುಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ gone into inside the Kantirava stadium where the track was kept ready for me.
ಈ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ದಟ್ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ,
Yes.
which will come in an upcoming episode. But what prompted you to say, like, okay, let me be bold, I will wear Yakshagana makeup and I will still run? So you were telling about Ravindra Kalakshetra and entering Kantirava. Allinda, if you can just tell us the story.
Okay, entering into the Kantirava stadium where the track started there, 10K run that was. So around 6:30 we started our marathon, the flag on, and we started, and the track was like it starts from the Kantirava stadium inside. Okay, it starts from there, and you get out of it, and you will have a Lalbagh road.
Forget the road.
Yeah, no,
I'm
yeah.
interested in how did people look at you that day? How did people perceive you? I'm sure people would have come and taken selfies with you. You would have become like a center of attraction.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, some people, not bothering about it. Some people came and took this, selfie, and some people given an expression because I was with some mustache and bright makeup and colorful thing with some ribbon and all that. So they used to give some expression that was very encourageable and motivating kind of marathon along with the traditional Yakshagana. I was wondering, hope that
So ನೀನು ಒಂಥರ ಚಿಕ್ಕ mascot ತರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ. You would have become like a unofficial mascot.
Yeah, there is a lot of runners. They'll, some people mindset is already set because they wanted to finish their 10K. They just want to run. They don't want to focus anything. Their body is set, everything is set. Serious runners. Okay, some people with the joy they run, and they will motivate others. They will encourage others, and ಆ ಥರದವರು lot of people came. Some of the ministers, some of the officers.
So So
you
did
know.
those guys see you with the makeup, the officers and the? Did anybody
Yeah,
notice? Did the
notice.
did the media see you?
Media, yeah, they captured a lot of, photos
Pictures.
while I was running. And I also did some, because I practiced some kind of dance, the steps
Okay.
and all that, in college
Okay.
time, myself and Atish used to do that.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
it was like, I know, from the childhood, learn Yakshagana. So from there I started, and I know some certain steps. So while running, I did some steps also.
Okay. Nice.
Okay, some action, some steps,
Okay.
some break, given to the
Okay.
other people eyes,
Right.
ನಾನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು when I coming back to close my run, ಆವಾಗ ಕೆಲವರು ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗ you can see, this side people are running this side and I'm coming in front of them. So a lot of people see me and giving hands like
So
this.
I think it's so nice. Apart from you just running, you're doing something that when as soon as people look at you, they get a different buzz, a different energy. Even if they're demotivated or they're tired, I think once they look at you, they're kind of energized and they want to run. I think that's a very nice way of encouraging, I think, people.
Yeah, I know, when you run along with that, people noticed, and, people will do, thumbs up and some kind of action. I'll also get motivation and some kind of energy I gets inside, and, get run, fast agi run ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ it
Okay.
helps
Okay.
that. Yeah.
So the 21K run also you work Yakshagana
No, not
training?
10,
No?
not 21K. That is all normal run.
Okay.
Run I did. Only the
Okay.
once I did in
Once you did it.
Bengaluru,
Okay.
marathon something, Bengaluru
Okay.
10K. So that is
Okay.
every year happens, every
Okay.
year, July it happens,
Mhm.
I go. And last year I
Okay.
just tried this with this. Yeah, it was
Okay.
nice
So
experience.
next time, Praveen, you've done 5, 10, 21. What's next? You plan to do longer
I
runs?
want to, yeah, for
Full marathon.
full marathon. That is because of this, you know,
COVID
mm,
situation.
COVID and situation. I'm not able to
But
practice much.
you're not
Yeah,
able to practice. Okay.
Mhm. I do. Weekly once I just go and do some, just walk and run kind of thing.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's good. Yeah,
Okay.
and if you should have a nice track also. If you get into jungle somewhere and run, ಹುಲ್ಲಿನ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ತರ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
Okay.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು.
Right.
ಹುಲ್ಲಿನ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ on the,
Okay.
like,
Okay.
flowers will be, like Lalbagh, Kabul Park, where you see a lot of flowers and leaves. You run on that, it will be like ತರ
Yeah.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah.
It's good
Okay.
experience, and weather and everything is matters there,
Okay.
get
Okay.
a fresh air early in the morning. Yeah, good, good. I wanted to do a, full marathon. That's my,
Mhm.
yeah. If I get any other opportunity, I wanted to do, with the makeup, as you said, little more,
Okay.
nicer way and more, little more attractive and
So I think you're bringing a lot more drama into the run.
yeah, drama into the run. Not only run, not only marathon. Be active with the other, kind of colorful, being a kind of
Nice.
we played with the colors.
You have to be extremely bold to do something like that. Not normally. I mean, you wouldn't think of doing that, but I think hats off
Yeah,
that you're able to do it.
thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for your time. I think followed up a lot of times, and even technical error also came. And
That's okay. We're not a professional channel. It's okay. It's for our group. But the main point is that I know you had a very, very busy schedule and you still came and you did this. So I'm very grateful to you. And we are going to do the episode 2 to this, and we are going to be talking about Yakshagana.
yes,
Because I know you're very, very passionate about it. I don't know much. I know what is Yakshagana, ಹರಿಕಥೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿವರವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಳುಗೋಗಿರೋರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ಯತೀಶ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ವಿ ಮೈಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಟ್, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾಶುವಲ್, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಹರಿಕತೆ ಕಥೆಕಳಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. You go back to your roots, you go back to your tradition, and we definitely will do that episode also soon.
Yes.
Wishing you all the best in your future runs, and I hope you get to do the full marathon. And if you do, I urge you, I think you should come back and upload those pictures in the Rory group. Maybe if you shoot a GoPro video or something, you should put that up. I'll be interested to see it. I know I can't do it, but at least I'll enjoy seeing you do it.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, everyone can do. Human being, anyone can do with the small run. As I told you initially, small run. Any, in our classmates, anyone can do with the slow walk and slow run, and you start. Yeah, it'll be nice. Yeah,
Good. Thanks, Praveen. So see you soon, and hope COVID situation goes away. Keep practicing, keep running, keep motivating us, and hope 2021 you get to do your full marathon.
Thank you so much, Vinod. Thank you for your patience and following with me and with everyone.
No, don't say that. No.
At time, you are doing a great.
Thank you.
Great. I don't have a word.
Thank you, Praveen.
Doing great things. It is very engaged, and motivating, encouraging with, passionate with other people, and, more, influence we are getting with different people in different mindset and different kind of tones they have. It is nice, encouraging. Yeah. You are opening it up, everyone. You are opening it up, all the colors. Yeah.
While I'm doing it, I think I'm also learning so much from everybody. When I'm listening to people talk, I'm also learning, and that's the reason why I'm doing it. So
yeah,
great to have you on board, and see you soon. Best of luck, and thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Vinod. All the best for your coming episode. I think
Thank you, Praveen.
Thank you.
See you. Bye.
Bye.